I, Neha Singh from IT Department of St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, would like to welcome you all on a demonstration session of Google Drive. The very first step that you need to do is you need to log into your Gmail account. It will ask you for the credentials. You need to enter your Gmail ID and the password. As soon as you enter the credentials, it will redirect you to the Gmail page. Then you will click on this option of Google Apps, from wherein you will select the Google Drive option. This is how your drive will look like. Google Drive helps you to create as well as upload the files. In Google Drive, the advantage is that you can access your files from anytime, anywhere. Only one thing that is needed is you need to have a valid Gmail account and you need to have the internet to access that particular document. Now you can see over here there are different sections. This is one section having different features. Then there is a quick access. This means that these are the documents which have been accessed by me recently. And this gives the information about the folders that you have created or whatever information you have uploaded or created over here. Now this is a view. You can change the view using this option. So you can see now the view is in a enlarged mode now. These are all the informations which I had uploaded earlier. Now let me show you how you can upload a folder, a file in your drive. So let me first create a folder. I will create a folder name, my initial, that is Neha Singh NS, and then click on create. So now you can see this NS folder was not existing earlier. Now it has been created. Yes. So this is the folder which is created. I have changed the view. In here you can easily view the different folders and navigation is easy. Now I want to upload a file. So let me say I want to upload this PDF. I will choose that and click on open. So you can see it is preparing to upload. It is telling that it will take less than a minute and it has almost finished the upload. Now this button can help you to show where the file is in the drive. So yes, now you can see I have uploaded this PDF. Now if I want to move this PDF to the folder, I will right click on it and then I will say move to. Here the different folders which I have created will be prompted. Now I will move it to NS and click on move. So it is showing that it has been moved to the folder. Now let us check whether it has been moved to the folder or not by clicking on the folder. So you can see my PDF which I had uploaded from my system have been moved to the folder. Now there are different options that you can do with it. You can preview this. You can open it with Google Docs or with the PDF option. You can also share it. You can get a shareable link. You can move it to the folder. I've already used this feature. You can add to stead if you want. You can rename it. You can make a copy of it as well as you can remove it. When you will click on the remove button, it will move the data to the trash. So let me show you how you can share this document. So here you need to type the mail ID of the person with whom you want to share. So let me say I will share it with my another mail ID, that is my professional mail ID, and it will send a mail, and I can even write the message. Check the PDF and suggest if any changes exist. And then I will send it. Right? So now if you want to share it via the link, then you can also click on get shareable link. So here you can see two people are added. One is my through which I have logged in right now, and the other is my professional ID. Now this is the where from where you can share the link. So what you will do, you will click on copy link. See, this is the link which I have copied. So if you want to share it with your students or someone else, you can copy the link and then send them. Now you can see here the mode which is selected is restricted, means only people added can open with this link. So only two people are added here. You can see my normal Gmail account and my professional mail ID. So only these two people will be able to open up with this link. If you want that apart from the mail IDs which I have added, anyone should access this with whom I will share, then you will choose anyone with the link. Generally, this option is useful when you want to share a document with multiple people and ask them for the suggestions or the changes in the document. So now what is will happen with whomsoever I will send this link, they can view it. Right now I am just giving an option of viewer. If you want, they can be commenter as well as editor. If you do it editor, then they can edit the document. Right now I am giving only the viewer to anyone with this link. If you want, you can give the editor as well. So this is how the sharing option is being done. Now moving on to the recent document. So you can see this is the very latest document that have been added by me in the drive. So it is depicting the time, who is the owner, myself, I am the owner of this document, and what is the size, 1 MB is the size of this particular file. Now what do you mean by stead? Stead means any file which is important to you. Now if you want to add this as important, you can right click on it and then you can add to stead. So now you can see a star mark has appeared. What does a star mark means? It means a stead document. It means that this document is important. So now you can also click on this and you can see that I have marked this document as stead and it is being appeared in the stead section. Now what do you mean by trash? If you want to delete a particular item, it will be moved to trash. So let me say that I have added this and now I want to delete this particular folder. So I will say remove. So you can see now this has been moved from the section and it might appear in trash. So you can see I had clicked on it and removed, and this is now appearing in the trash. So trash section is nothing just like a recycle bin wherein you store the items which are deleted. Now we'll move to this section, that is shared with me. See, these are the documents which are shared by so and so person and on so and so date with me. Now you can see on the storage feature. Generally, I am using the free version, so 15 GB of data can be stored on Google Drive, out of which 5.2 I have utilized. Now in this 5.2 GB, these are the different files which are stored in my drive, and I can access these many files from anytime, anywhere. Only the necessity is my Gmail account with correct credentials and the availability of the internet. So I can access these documents anytime. So this is a very plus point of using the Google Drive and storing your information on the drive. Now let me show you what are the different storage options which are available. 15 GB is the free option which is there. You can explore to the other options as well. So this is my current plan and it is showing 15 GB. If you want to upgrade your plan, you can upgrade it for 100 GB. It is 130 per month, that is 1300 per year. And then if you want 200 GB, you can pay 200 per month, that is 2100 per year. So generally when we are teaching, 15 GB is enough. Moreover, as I have shown you the option of moving to trash, you can delete certain items which are not needed. So this is how easy it is to use the option of Google Drive. Now in Drive, you can create different documents as well. I have only explained to you about how the uploading can be done. The creations of the different documents would be explained to you in the subsequent sessions. I hope the demonstration session was helpful for you. Hope that you would be using this Google Drive option in future. Thank you for your patient listening.